instructor, and today I will be demonstrating our overlap and correlation tool. You can access overlap and correlation from our home page by going to Advanced Analysis Tools and selecting this icon here. Conversely, you can navigate to the hamburger icon dropdown in the top left-hand corner. Under Advanced Analysis Tools, you'll also find overlap and correlation. Once inside the tool, you're able to enter one or multiple tickers of a global ETF, and then you're able to select to see whether you want to view mutual funds or ETFs that have overlapped holdings and correlated performance. So let's give an example of a single ticker search. Let's look up BUZZ, which is the VanEck Social Sentiment ETF. We see that it's loaded in our selection box, and we'll press apply. So when you input a single ticker, you'll be met with one data output, which shows the overlap holdings of the selected universe. In our instance, it's ETFs. The default output is filtered by overlap. So we'll see here that SFYF, the SoFi Social 50 ETF, has the highest overlap of holdings between itself and BUZZ of 70.7%. Of course, you can also filter by correlation. And then we see that FNGG has the highest correlated performance to BUZZ at 96.7%. Another way that you can use this tool is by inputting multiple tickers and comparing the overlap and correlation between those inputted tickers. A good example would be to input SPY and QQQ. We'll have those loaded. We'll press apply. And instead of being met with a single data output this time, we'll be met with two, one for overlap and one for correlation. And we see in the overlap matrix that between SPY and QQQ, there is a 66% overlap of holdings and a 93% correlation of performance. So that's how you utilize our overlap and correlation tool. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to a member of the Logically team. We can be reached via email at support@thinklogically.com, or you can always utilize the chat box in the bottom right-hand corner of the platform. We're looking forward to connecting with you, and as always, think logically.